I just wanted to make a quick review on this wall port here. It was sent to me as a gift to review, and I just want to show you the details here on this. It has 1, 2, 3 right here that I'm using, and then 4, 5 wall outlets. It has 3 USB and then 1 USB-C. So you can plug in here, charge your phone, or your laptop, whatever it is that you want to do, your laptop here. I'm actually using it now to power this light here that I'm using. And I want to turn it off really quick because I do want to point something out to you here. There is a little blue light here in the middle, if you can see. And that is a surge protector light. So if that light is on, that means that it is working. The surge protector is working. And there is also a screw here in the middle, so that way you can screw it into the wall outlet that's already there. And the only thing about this is you need to keep in mind that this is a wall outlet for smaller appliances, for smaller electronics. Do not plug in any heaters in here, any ovens, anything major that's going to pull a lot of electricity. This is not what it's for. This is for smaller things.